we cannot pass this resolution saying that Commodore Tariela is correct because he's wrong. If he just simply stated, I love the Philippines, I will fight for our territory, I'll fight for our sovereignty rights, I will do my duty, but sorry, dahil uminit ulo ko, nilabas ko to, pero hindi official yan. Tapos tayo.
We beg to disagree, Mr. President, that Mr. Commodore Tariela is mistaken.
So-
We would not have put this resolution and authored it if we felt Mr.
So
Tariela.
that's what I want to elicit. So the authors of this resolution is saying, pwede. So kung ang official ng presidente is to have certain decorum sa presidente ng China, pwede yung isang general hindi sumunod. Ang sa kanya, bastusin natin yung Pangulo
Mr.
ng
President,
isang bansa.
that is his interpretation?
No, bastos yun.
No, that is your interpretation.
No. So if I ask them
well,
now...
Mr. President, we beg to disagree.
Can you show the slide
Mr.
ulit?
President, we beg
Mr.
to disagree.
President,
The Department of National
Mr. President,
Defense
tignan niyo naman po.
has issued a statement condemning China's remarks, Mr.
No,
President.
we're not talking about... Mr. President, if you look at the DFA, it was also telling Tariela, but not directly.
It says,
It was saying, follow the decorum, Mr. President. Mr. President, kung ganyan ang stand natin, then my staff now can show a meme of you.
Mr. President,
Mr. President, dito ba sa... Let me ask that question.
Mr. President, I am not from China. Why will they put a meme? Why will your staff put
No,
a
it's
meme
not about
towards me?
China. It's about
No,
decorum.
You're comparing apples
Mr.
and
President,
oranges,
no,
Mr.
no, no, no.
President. You are simplifying
Session
what
is
is a
suspended for 1 minute.
complicated na international dispute.